What's up guys, back again with another video. Right now we're taking a look at a high-speed waist fan. It has a flashlight on it. Also too, what I like about this, it can charge. It has backwards charging capabilities because I did try it out, because here, as you can see, you have your flashlight there. It is Type-C. So this is where you charge it. But actually, if you need to charge your phone, you can use that and charge your phone as well. So it has a flashlight, it's a fan, and it charges your phone. So it has three things that you can use it for in this small little gadget here. And also it comes with a strap. You know, if you wanted to use that or have some use for a strap on it, you can also remove it as well. And it clips to your waist. It clips to your waist and it blows air up. A little quick demonstration. So I know that when you see things online and just the pictures, you don't get an idea of the actual size. So as you can see, it fits in the palm of my hand. This is, you know, give you an idea of the size of it. You can find this on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description. Of course, it's going to be the very first link in the description, just so you guys can take a look at some more of the details and the pictures online if you needed to pick one of these up. And again, as always, you know, I like to mention Amazon because if the product doesn't work for you, Amazon has one of the easiest ways to return things if they don't work out for you, you know, versus I know we have a lot of different other sites, but it may be a useful product to you. So here's the power button here. As you can turn it on, you got different fan speeds. That's the first speed. You can go up all the way to full speed, which is at 100. Okay. Now it is a bit noisy, a little bit. You know, it is a fan, but you know, you can put it on different noise levels. Hold down the power button to turn it off, and then it has its own dedicated power button for the flashlight. Okay, so that's the flashlight. It has a designated button for the flashlight, and pretty much self-explanatory. You have a button for your flashlight, you have an on and off button, and different speed levels for the fan, and that's it. So this can be a useful item just to have around. It can come in handy for different and multiple occasions if you need a light or you need to charge a device. You have this available. Of course, you charge it, keep it at 100%. You know, the battery life on standby, I haven't charged it since I picked it up, and that was about 3 weeks ago. I haven't charged it at all, and without using it, you can see it's still at 100%. So the standby battery power is pretty awesome, and it has pretty awesome battery time just by using it. So once you charge it, you can keep it on standby. You have a little fan, which I think will be the least purpose I use it for, mainly like for flashlight, or if I need to get something and charge it real quick, you know, I can use it for that. And of course, for those who need a fan, you have that option as well. But let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. And as always, like, share, subscribe, and until next time, see you in the next video.